Hello, my name is Elison Ward, and I'm in the 8th grade at Bishop Leger. This is my third year doing science fair. The title of my project is Does Conditioner Affect Colored Hair? This experiment was performed to see whether or not conditioner affects colored hair. I hypothesized that the extensions with conditioner would be more faded than the ones without because conditioning hair after shampooing causes the hair to have to be submerged in water an extra time. During my research, I learned that demi-permanent and permanent hair dye take about the same amount of time to fade, but they're different because permanent hair dye is the only type that chemically alters the hair strand. I also learned that shampoo dries out the hair and it strips it of its natural oils, so conditioner is used so that it can repair the hair that was damaged from the dye and the shampoo. Another thing that I learned is that parabens, which are a harmful ingredient found in shampoos and conditioners, are banned in Europe. In addition, I learned that ultraviolet rays in sunlight break down the chemical bonds in the hair, causing it to fade. And finally, a fun fact that I learned is that during the reign of Queen Elizabeth I in England, it became popular for women to dye their hair red. My independent variable was type of conditioner. My dependent variable was condition of hair after experiment. My control included type of hair extensions, duration of time with conditioner on the hair, frequency of washing, temperature of water, and amount of shampoo and conditioner used each time. My main materials included red demi-permanent hair dye and developer, 7 blonde hair extensions dyed red with that dye and developer, 6 different shampoos, 6 different conditioners, gloves, a thermometer, and extensions from a previous experiment that were washed with only the same shampoos used in this for comparison. After the hair was dyed and washed, it dried for a day. I then washed the hair with 4.9 milliliters of shampoo for 1 minute and rinsed it until there was no more soap in it. Then I lathered 2.4 milliliters of conditioner on the hair and let it sit for 3 minutes. After, I rinsed the conditioner off with room temperature water and then let it hang to air dry for a day. I repeated this exact process with each extension 13 times. My results showed the conditioner does affect colored hair. The extensions that had been washed with shampoo and conditioner were more faded than the extensions that had only been washed with shampoo from the previous experiment. Therefore, my hypothesis was proven correct. I hypothesized that conditioner would cause the hair to fade faster, and each extension with conditioner was more faded in comparison to the extensions that had only been washed with shampoo. During this experiment, I learned that using conditioner causes hair to fade faster than only using shampoo. This is likely because when using conditioner while washing the hair has to be submerged in the water an extra time. But, in my opinion, excluding conditioner in a hair routine isn't a good idea. Conditioner is very important to use regularly because it can restore the hair's damage from being dyed and the shampoo that strips the hair of its oils. If I were to do this experiment differently, I would try washing the hair with several different temperatures of water to see if the results may differ. An error that may have occurred while doing this experiment is that although the exact same brands and types of dye and developer used on the hair in the previous experiments were used on this one, the color of the last experiment's extensions and this one's were not the exact same. This one's was a little bit darker. Thank you for your time and for judging my project today.